The honorable member is making certain remarks about your husband. What is he saying?
He's saying that he has given me 9 months to be pregnant. And if that is not done, he'll do it via what he's holding.
Eventually, Honorable Governor, your deputy joined the movement and made similar attacks on you and on your Kawira program. Can we watch KMV4?
Kweta Tharaka County tubatethie, kweta Embu County tubatethie, kweta Isiolo County tubatethie, ukorea kirundu kia thina kia pubate kia kuewa itubanda kinya tukueyana hapo sana jiji wewe governor na program kirundu keke pubate program wewe tu okolea matwe murungu wake tuetera tutetera muntu no tukirundu ke anto bembe beku atoteokenda bekwerwa kirundu ke wikireti makiri bagwa tokolea kabisa mathina yaba ya
We can stop there. Thank you. Speak, Honorable Governor, that is your deputy governor.
Yes.
He's making certain remarks about the Kawira program.
Yes.
What is he saying?